All right, guys. So I always get the question, what do you pay for books? And here's a pro tip. Basically, I'm hijacking these people's software. So what you do is you want to open up BookScouter in one tab, get a list of the ISBNs. If you don't have a list already, you can just type in the title up here. These are actually for one of my followers, Simba. Shout out. He's always looking for quick cash flow. So I purchase books from him. I sell them on Amazon for a profit. He gets cash up front. If you guys ever want to do something like that, let me know. Anyway, I just paste the ISBN in there. It tells you how much all these websites are buying it for. In this case, they're buying it for nothing. So I'm just adding these up in my head right now. The first one was $2. Second one was nothing. This one, let's see what this one is. 36 cents. So I'm going to add all these up. Now for regular books, it's not going to be a whole lot, but for textbooks, you're going to see these prices will get kind of high. So what I'll do with textbooks is I'll quote, let's say the highest price is $50 and the next one down, let's say Sell Back Your Books is buying it for 50. Shout out Bill Martlink. He's the director of Sell Back Your Books. He's crushing it. That's also a very good service too. If you guys, I don't use this personally because I have a different way to monetize my duds, but if you guys want to get paid for your duds, Sell Back Your Books has an app that runs in the background. So when you're using ScoutIQ or Scoutly, you can scan, and Sell Back Your Books is running in the background, and it'll also make decisions. Okay, ScoutIQ is not going to buy it, or not ScoutIQ doesn't buy books. ScoutIQ says it's not profitable, but Sell Back Your Books will buy it for 36 cents, and you can put it in a Sell Back Your Book bin, and they'll actually purchase stuff from you by the Gaylord. So I normally don't do this myself. I actually have a virtual assistant that does this for me. So I'll send her an email that says, quote, just like this. She'll run numbers for me. She'll add up all these and give me 75% of the total. Keep in mind, I'm doing a service for people. So in this case, Simba on Instagram, I'm purchasing all these books at once. A lot of times, except for Sell Back Your Book, shout out Bill again. He's got a really good service. A lot of times these are just one-off websites. They're just going to buy one book at a time and that's it. And even like Textbook Rush, I'm not putting dirt on their name. I don't know who out there is doing it. But a lot of times they won't purchase your books if they're not like impeccable. So even if they have like a little scratch on the cover, they won't give you what you think or what they said they would. They might be like, oh, well, we got your book and now we're only going to give you 60% of what we said we did. So it's kind of shady. Sell Back Your Books is definitely a good one if you guys ever do decide to use this website. But yeah, that's how I generate quotes. I'm piggybacking off this software. It prevents me overbidding because if a book has no demand and really high profit, the quote that I give, if I tell my virtual assistant just to quote 25% of that price, it's not factoring in the demand. By me using BookScouter.com, it is factoring in the demand. So I'm killing two birds with one stone here. I'm not having to do too much thinking, and it's foolproof, so I can have my virtual assistant do it for me. So that's how I quote books, y'all.